Look at these niggas, man. Worming his hands off. Don't drop that bitch like
Hey, you can't see shit.
Let me see that bitch.
I got it.
Oh shit, he let the bitches up. Oh shit. Oh shit, look at that shit, man.
That boy sitting on DJ, man.
That nigga shitting on it. Look at my nigga.
That nigga on the curb, nigga. On the fucking curb, nigga, in the pool city.
On the curb. That nigga stuck his ass out, man. Nigga girl place.
Damn.
See that shit, man.
Look at them boy.
The dogs are killing that
Them boy. And then he out the sunroof. What the fuck? Me too, nigga.
Oh, man. Nigga stuck his ass out for real.
Then he spin them tires over there.
He's spinning the biscuit, man. 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 You see that shit? He's spinning the biscuit, man. Listen to that motherfucking motor. See that shit? Chill out, man.
That man just told her down fucking. That man just told her to
Look
shit
at
up.
that bitch, cuz.
That man just told her to shit up.
Hell yeah, look at it. Look at that bitch. Hell yeah, really that. Spin them damn thing, man, for real. Yeah, that's that damn trailblazer. For real. That big right there, that big running too. Look at it. Look at it. Get out there, Eddie. Get out there, Eddie. Get out there, man. Get out there, Eddie. Get out there, man. Get out there, man. Get out there, man. Get out there, man. Get out there, Eddie. Get out there, man. Go ahead, man. That nigga don't want to do it. Huh? Look at him. Look at this friend. Look at this friend, though. Get out there, Eddie. Trailblazer. Hardest running trailblazer ever. I told that nigga I was gonna get him. I told her I was gonna get him on camera. All them people over there at Sitgo and shit wanna chill at Sitgo. We over here at the McDonald's.
The hoes over there watching.
We over here at the McDonald's. Chilling.
Fuck, I'm hungry, man.
Got them big back there, Gita back there.
I'm about your
Tony.
That's all
My
I
nigga
had to say,
Chris.
nigga,
Okay,
shit.
then,
My nigga Chris and a nigga Ed up there, 4D.
you say
Already.
bye, nigga. You got
I ain't bringing my shit out, cause I gotta get my shit right. When I get my shit right, I'll be crushing the city, nigga. Crushing the motherfucking city. With the Punag Lamont.